sea bass with tartar sauce. Place the cup of flour onto a flat plate, then remove the sea bass scales and clean out the inside, cutting off the head, tail and fins. Score the surface of the fish a few times to make sure the inside cooks well. Season the fish with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, then dust all over with flour. Heat the sunflower oil in a frying pan and fry the fish on both sides until it becomes golden brown all over. When the fish is cooked, place it onto a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. To prepare the tartar sauce, finely chop the 5 gherkins and put in the bowl you are going to use to mix the sauce. Finely chop the 2 tablespoons of capers, handful of parsley and half a medium onion so they are a similar size to the gherkins. Add to the bowl with the gherkins. Add 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1 dessert spoon of mustard and stir the mixture well. Serve the sea bass hot, accompanied by the tartar sauce. Bon appétit!